Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ColdFusion from Adobe. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download the ColdFusion installer from the official Adobe website. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's download directory. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Select your preferred installation language and click OK. Read the license agreement carefully and click Accept to proceed. Choose between a typical or custom installation based on your needs. If you select Custom, specify the components you want to install. Select the installation directory where ColdFusion will be installed. Click Next to continue with your chosen settings. You will be prompted to enter the administrator password. Create a password that meets the security requirements. Select the option to install the server as a service if desired. Configure the service settings according to your requirements. Choose whether to enable ColdFusion for the local network. Select the default web server being used. If necessary, configure additional web server settings. Once all settings are reviewed, click Install to begin. Wait for the installation process to complete. When prompted, choose whether to run the ColdFusion administrator now. After installation, open your web browser to access the ColdFusion administrator. Enter the appropriate URL, typically http://localhost 8500/fide/administrator/login using the administrator credentials you set earlier. Explore the ColdFusion administrator dashboard to configure your server settings. Congratulations, you have successfully installed ColdFusion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.